What do you think, Dan?
Yeah.
This is a little train Mommy brought home from Cracker Barrel.
Yeah.
Can I see the box?
Huh? Yeah.
Yeah. Holiday train in a tin.
Right. Ready? A funnel. A
$10 at the Cracker Barrel. And there it goes. And it's small. There's my soda so you can see the size.
Oh, it's inside.
But Danny loves it.
Yeah.
Don't you love it, Dan?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what you hear running behind me is Danny's Mickey Mouse train for Christmas. Here it comes. Here comes Mickey Mouse train. And I think Mickey's in there. Oh, there he is. Minnie's riding in the back here. And Danny's favorite Christmas ornament is the White House choo-choo that we got when we went. Yeah, when we visited Washington, D.C. All right. Everybody get ready for Christmas and enjoy your holiday.